Deepthi Ravindra Thorat
and Lavanya Rao,
both 8th grade computer science enthusiasts.
Our innovative thinking and problem-solving skills have flourished in the computer science lab, where hands-on experience, coding challenges, and real-world applications have shaped our approach to finding creative solutions.
This collaboration has fueled our joint enthusiasm for developing practical solutions such as the smart water heater control system.
In rural morning, families often use bucket water heater for bathing, risking accidents when forgotten and left on. Unattended heating can cause water heaters to surpass safe limits, potentially allowing electric currents to enter water, causing serious safety hazards. Implementing a smart control system can mitigate this risk by automatically regulating temperature, ensuring both energy efficiency and preventing dangerous overheating. This overheating leads in breaking the tube of the water heater from which the electric current trickles into the water bucket.
The smart water heater system integrates a DHT11 sensor for precise temperature monitoring, preventing overheating. Alerts are facilitated through a browser in case of irregularities, prioritizing safety. The Raspberry Pi is process center data existing an algorithm for optimal temperature control. The relay communicates with the water heater, ensuring automatic shutdown upon receiving signals.
For enhanced convenience, safety mechanism including the buzzer and relay mitigate potential hazards. This holistic approach demonstrates the seamless blend of technology and practically friendly interface simplifies control for enhanced convenience. Safety mechanisms including the buzzer and relay mitigate potential hazards. This holistic approach demonstrates the seamless blend of technology and practicality. The system stands as an exemplar for household safety and energy efficiency through intelligent automation.
The smart water heater control system enhances safety by preventing overheating and reducing the adaptability of the smart water heater control system to diverse household setup makes it scalable. Its integration into existing water heating configuration ensures applicability across a wide range of homes, especially those in rural settings where traditional water heaters are prevalent. We will see the working of our model. When the temperature goes beyond 30 degrees, our model activates a buzzer to alert families. Simultaneously, a relay module is triggered, ensuring the water heater is turned off. This precautionary measure helps prevent accidents by avoiding excessive heat in the water system.
The combination of the buzzer alert and relay control water heater adds a safety layer for family members. When the temperature is below the limit, the relay will turn on the water heater. In our case, the glowing blue LED indicates the turning on and turning off of the water heater.